Hi, this is I'm Joe the Plumber too, but have had enough. This is Kudos to Sarah Palin. First, Sarah, your own personal clothing looks just fine. And your choice to return to your own personal clothing lets us know who truly does not care about the feelings of the American people. That's the Republican National Election Committee. They showed the rest of America how superficial they are when it comes to the values upheld by this party and why our economy is in such an inadequate state. Sarah, you started out as a role model in logic with your personal choices. And in this day and age, our younger generations have used ideas like this as a measuring stick to determine their behavior and sometimes their lack of. So Sarah, thank you for showing America that the word maverick has not been wasted on you. Bye.